Outdoor adventures or emergency cooking demand a reliable, lightweight solution, delivering steady heat, fast setup, and safety. In this guide, we revealed the top 5 best portable gas stove options offering portability, fuel efficiency, durability, and great value for campers and travelers. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Gas One Portable Gas Stove. The Gas One Portable Gas Stove is a reliable and flexible cooking solution designed for campers, travelers, and emergency preparedness. One of its biggest advantages is its dual fuel compatibility, allowing users to operate the stove with either an 8-ounce butane canister or a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder. This flexibility makes it extremely convenient, especially in situations where one type of fuel may not be available. The included propane converter regulator ensures smooth switching between fuel sources, adding to its versatility. The stove features an automatic piezoelectric ignition system, which eliminates the need for matches or lighters. With a simple turn of the knob, the flame ignites instantly, making cooking fast and hassle-free, even for beginners. The adjustable heat dial allows precise control over the flame, whether you are boiling water quickly or simmering food slowly. Safety is another strong point of this portable stove. It comes equipped with a built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and gas flow cutoff mechanism, which automatically ejects the butane cartridge if irregular pressure is detected. This feature provides peace of mind, especially during extended use. The compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and store, making it suitable for camping trips, outdoor cooking, and emergency kits. Overall, the Gas One Portable Gas Stove offers a great balance of safety, convenience, and performance, making it a dependable choice for anyone looking for a portable gas cooking solution.
Number 2. Gas One Metal Portable Gas Stove. The Gas One Metal Portable Gas Stove stands out as a high-output and fuel-efficient cooking option for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency use. Delivering an impressive 7,650 BTUs, this stove boils water quickly and evenly, outperforming many competitors in its category. Designed specifically for use with 8-ounce butane canisters, it offers consistent heat output that is ideal for camping, outdoor cooking, and backup home use. Safety is a major highlight of this stove, as it meets CSA standards for both US and Canadian safety regulations. The built-in fuel cartridge injection safety system automatically ejects the butane canister if abnormal pressure is detected, significantly reducing the risk of accidents. The automatic piezo-type ignition system further enhances convenience by eliminating the need for matches or lighters, ensuring quick and reliable startup every time. Portability is another strong feature, with the stove coming complete with a durable carrying case and user manual. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and store, whether you're heading to a campsite or keeping it as part of an emergency kit. The stove also operates quietly, providing a clean and efficient burn without unnecessary noise, which adds to the overall cooking experience. Built with a sturdy metal body, it feels durable and well-made, capable of withstanding frequent outdoor use. Overall, the Gas One Metal Portable Gas Stove is an excellent choice for users who prioritize safety, efficiency, and powerful performance in a compact and portable design.
Number 3. Coleman Portable Gas Stove. The Coleman Portable Gas Stove is a trusted option for campers and outdoor cooks who need reliable performance and generous cooking power. Designed with portability in mind, this stove is easy to carry and fits seamlessly into campsites, picnics, roadside stops, and outdoor gatherings. It features 2 independently adjustable burners with a combined output of 22,000 BTUs, providing ample power to cook full meals efficiently. The inclusion of 2 wind guards is a valuable addition, helping shield the burners from wind and ensuring consistent heat even in challenging outdoor conditions. The improved knob rotation allows precise temperature control, making it easy to simmer delicate dishes or cook at high heat when needed. Durability is evident in its heavy-duty latch, which keeps the stove securely closed during transport and opens easily when in use. Cleanup is simple thanks to the removable chrome-plated grate, which is both sturdy and easy to wipe down after cooking. The stove accommodates both 10-inch and 12-inch pans, giving users flexibility in cookware selection. Built with quality materials and thoughtful design, this stove feels solid and dependable. Coleman's reputation for outdoor gear reliability is clearly reflected in this model. Whether you're preparing breakfast at a campsite or cooking dinner during a power outage, the Coleman portable gas stove delivers consistent performance and ease of use. Overall, it is a practical and powerful choice for anyone seeking a dependable 2-burner portable stove for outdoor or emergency cooking needs.
Number 4. ODSD Portable Gas Stove. The ODSD portable gas stove is a modern and thoughtfully designed cooking solution for outdoor adventures and emergency situations. One of its most unique features is the effortless magnetic closure, which allows for quick setup and secure closure without the hassle of traditional latches. This innovative design adds both convenience and reliability in outdoor environments. The stove is equipped with a wind-proof shield that helps stabilize the flame and reduce flare-ups, ensuring safer cooking even in windy conditions. It also protects hands from hot oil splashes, enhancing overall safety during use. With powerful dual burners delivering up to 20,000 BTUs, this stove offers excellent versatility for boiling, grilling, and frying. Each burner is independently adjustable, giving users full control over their cooking process. Despite its strong performance, the stove remains compact and lightweight, folding down to a portable size and weighing just under 4 pounds. The included carry bag makes transportation easy, whether you're hiking, tailgating, or preparing for emergencies. Durability is another strong point, as the stove is built with rust-resistant burners, a heat-proof shell, and 304 stainless steel components. The addition of a coffee stand further enhances its practicality, making it a great companion for outdoor mornings. Overall, the ODSD portable gas stove combines smart design, powerful performance, and portability, making it a dependable and user-friendly option for campers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts.
Number 5. Chefmaster Portable Gas Stove. The Chefmaster Portable Gas Stove is a versatile and user-friendly option designed for outdoor cooking and emergency preparedness. Its dual-fuel compatibility allows it to operate with both 8-ounce butane canisters and 16.4-ounce propane cylinders, giving users flexibility based on availability and cooking needs. The included adapter makes switching between fuel types quick and simple, which is especially useful during extended trips. Safety is a key focus of the stove, featuring an automatic gas shutoff system that activates instantly if irregular gas flow is detected. This built-in protection ensures a safer cooking experience, whether you're camping, tailgating, or using it during emergencies. The ignition process is straightforward and beginner-friendly, requiring only a simple turn of the knob to activate the flame. Additionally, the automatic piezo ignition system eliminates the need for matches or lighters, allowing for fast and reliable startups. The stove delivers consistent heat output suitable for a variety of cooking tasks, from boiling water to preparing full meals. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to transport and store, while its sturdy construction ensures durability during regular outdoor use. Designed with proper ventilation and safety precautions in mind, it performs reliably across different environments. Overall, the Chefmaster Portable Gas Stove offers an excellent combination of flexibility, safety, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for campers, hikers, and anyone looking for a dependable portable gas stove. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.